In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to cancel an invoice in Zoho Books step by step. If you've accidentally created an invoice, sent the wrong details to a customer, or simply need to remove an invoice from your records, Zoho Books makes it very easy to do. However, there are a couple of important things you should know before deleting or canceling an invoice, especially because it can affect your invoice numbering and accounting records. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it safely and correctly. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials and accounting software guides. Now, let's jump straight into it. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you are inside the Zoho Books dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you can access all of your accounting modules, like sales, purchases, reports, and customers. To find your invoices, click on the Sales section. When the Sales menu expands, select Invoices. This will open the Invoices page, where you can see a list of all the invoices you have created for your customers. Depending on how active your business is, you may see many invoices listed here, along with details such as the customer name, invoice number, status, and amount. Next, locate the specific invoice that you want to cancel or remove. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have a large number of invoices. Once you find the invoice you want to cancel, click directly on that invoice. This will open the full invoice view, where you can see all the details including the customer information, items billed, totals, and the current invoice status. Now that the invoice is open, go to the top right area of the screen where you will see several action options. Look for the button labeled More. Click on the More button to open a drop-down menu with additional actions you can perform on the invoice. Inside this drop-down menu, you will see several options depending on the status of the invoice. From this list, select the option called Delete. This option allows you to completely remove the invoice from Zoho Books. After you click Delete, Zoho Books will ask you to confirm the action. This is an important step because deleting an invoice is permanent. Once the invoice is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Simply click Delete again in the confirmation prompt to finalize the action. As soon as you confirm, Zoho Books will remove that invoice from your records. Before you do this, there is one very important thing you should keep in mind. When you delete an invoice in Zoho Books, it permanently removes the record, and it can leave a gap in your invoice numbering sequence. For many businesses, especially those that need strict accounting records, gaps in invoice numbers can sometimes cause confusion during audits or financial reviews. Because of this, some businesses prefer to void invoices instead of deleting them so that the record still exists but the transaction is canceled. So always make sure you are deleting the correct invoice before confirming the action. And that's it. That's exactly how to cancel or delete an invoice in Zoho Books, quickly and easily. Just go to Sales, open Invoices, select the invoice you want to remove, click the More button, and choose Delete, then confirm the deletion. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.